Thanks for checking in, guys. It is Thursday night, March 17th, and models are converging on a big storm for Sunday into early Monday, and it's exciting. You have days in the 80s in March, you have thunderstorms today, and now we're talking about snow, and no one's going to believe me, but guys, there's a great shot here, especially north and west of 95. This is the map I put out this morning for the highest potential impacts. I will have accumulations out tomorrow morning. It's probably likely going to be 6 to 12 in many of these areas. Still trying to figure out how west I think this comes. This line here is where I expect her to be mixing to the south and east of that. So I think the I-95 corridor is a good bet. DC, Washington, I expect mixing. New England, most of you guys are fine except for immediate coastal areas, and most of North Jersey. This is coming, guys, and again, it's rare, but it does happen in late March sometimes. There's a handful of instances I can talk to you about. Let's dive into it. Two disturbances will come together. One in the northern stream here, another one here in the southern stream. These will converge along the east coast on Saturday. Low pressure area develops in the Gulf and it tracks right just due northeast, right off the coast. Now, before everybody panics, this is the Canadian model. It is likely way too warm here on Monday, but I'm showing you because it has the right intensity idea. And by the time we get to say late Sunday night, early Monday morning, we have a low that should be bombing off the coast. The GFS still wants to take this thing out to sea a little bit, and I think it's an error. I'm not buying it. And in fact, if you look at its ensembles right here, you can actually see by looking at ensemble members, there's a spread of members you can see right here that want to take this a little more west than what the GFS is saying. We go to the European, which is my model of choice. The European agrees that a big storm sits right off the coast, just tracks just close to the benchmark, just off the coast of New Jersey, and it's just south of central Long Island. It really hits the area hard. Now, the cold air is what's impressive. So this late in the season, you need cold air. You don't get a storm. You guys can see as we get into Saturday, all this cold air fills in just so the storm can tap right into it. Moisture gets thrown back in the cold air, you get heavy snow. So again, I think this will trend a little more west, so I try to incorporate that into my map. Northwest Jersey up into New England, I think this is becoming close to a lock. New York City, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, I expect mixing. Surface temperatures will also not be as cold, so the roads might be okay as you get into, say, 10, 11 o'clock in the morning on Monday. Things can still change, but this is my forecast right now. This is what I'm going with. We'll see a finalized snow map tomorrow. Buckle up, guys, because this could be a big storm. I'm telling you right now. I don't want to get too excited yet, but I like what I see. More tomorrow morning.